Sir and madam, and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. Myself K. Sharantesh Rai. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar regarding principles of metallurgy. Before starting seminar, I want to share some important few lines in my today's seminar. Imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark questions. These questions may be asking in coming examinations. So my humble advice is watch my seminar video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start seminar. Yes. Do you know what is metallurgy? Metallurgy is nothing but the process of obtaining metals from our nature is known as metallurgy. Now I am asking some definitions. These definitions may be asking in coming examinations and these questions definitions was previously repeated for many times. The first definition is roasting. Roasting is nothing but the process of getting ore in the presence of oxygen is known as roasting. In roasting, the sulfide ores is formed. The next definition is calcination. Calcination is nothing but the process of getting ores from the absence of oxygen is known as calcination. Here we will get carbonates. The next definition is smelting. Smelting is nothing but the process of getting metals from low boiling point is known as smelting. The next definition is boiling. Boiling is nothing but the process of getting iron or any metal from molten iron by heating of green wood. We will get boiling process. Let us enter into another definition. The another definition is thermite process. The thermite process is nothing but the process of getting metals from the iron and from the iron oxide by heating of molten iron in the presence of air and CO is known as thermite process. In thermite process, the heat is produced. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Next, we will enter into another topic. The another topic is purification of metals. In purification of metals, the first process is distillation. The second process is liquefaction. The third process is polling. The fourth process is purification of metals. Distillation is nothing but the process of dividing metals from the liquid is known as distillation. Next, liquefaction is nothing but the process of dividing metals without using of a liquid is known as liquefaction. Next, polling. Polling is nothing but I said previously. Next, the fourth process of purification of metal is hand picking. Hand picking is nothing but how to pick the ores or any metals from the GANs. GANs is nothing but waste particles. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. In this topic, what is a fourth flotation? Draw neat label diagram of fourth flotation. This question may be asking in coming examinations for 8 marks. And this question was previously repeated for 5 times. I will show the picture of fourth flotation. This is the picture of fourth flotation. First of all, we have to take one bowl or any beaker. In that we have to pour gas with sulfide ores and any ores. If you pour that ores, automatically we have to pour with water with pineal. If you pour that, after some time the gans and fourth bubbles will form above the beaker, and gas will settle at the bottom of the beaker, and the sulfide ores will come with the help of fourth bubbles. Because of compressed air only, this all process will be occur. Here these are sulfide ores. In this way the fourth flotation will occur. This is known as a fourth flotation. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. The another topic is the magnetic separation. Magnetic separation is nothing but the separation done by the power of magnetic is known as a magnetic separation. I will show the picture of a magnetic separation. This regarding the magnetic separation, there is a question. Write the differences between magnetic separation and fourth flotation, and draw neat label diagram of magnetic separation. I will show the diagram of magnetic separation. This is a picture of a magnetic separation. Here when we pour the non-metallic substance here with metals, on the time automatically the gas and the materials will come on the non-magnetic wheel. It is a non-magnetic wheel and it is magnetic wheel. Here it is a moving belt above the magnetic wheel and non-magnetic wheel. When the ores are coming on the moving belt, on the time the ores will automatically and metals will attract with non-magnetic wheel. When they will attract, they will form non-magnetic over here, and here magnetic ore will be formed. In this way we will get metal by the process of magnetic separation. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Let us enter into another topic. I will based on the another topic I will show the picture once again. This is a picture of another topic. The another topic is nothing but evaporatory furnace. Evaporatory furnace is nothing but the process of obtaining ore from the firebox and earth on the surface. When we keep the firebox on the time nearer to, we have to keep earth. Earth we will keep on the time the ore formation will be occur. In this way we will get evaporatory furnace. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. I want to repeat the questions which are important in this chapter. Write about fourth flotation. The second one is draw neat labeled diagram of fourth flotation. Write about magnetic separation. Write neat labeled diagram of magnetic separation. Write about filtration process of metals. Write about distillation. Write the differences between calcination and roasting. Write about thermite process. Write about evaporatory furnace. Write neat labeled diagram of evaporatory furnace. These questions are very important in this chapter. We have to thorough with these questions in this chapter. Thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my seminar video from starting point to ending point. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.